kublai pibaro ni priang subhai pi shekani kutuk kubor jengi upet ngor cable news. Hashwa begini sedang yaki kubor kebabnya ane kejanmit ngina hashwa shkimat bakongsan jong kubor mentag tayo. Kudno kedorbar senrai kebasan sini yatai ki amelia kejela halor kimat baper. Letkam u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ke syuki nong yalam kaliang persya hadin ke jingyo jingkershan ke seng kongres. Let jure bu MP ke Shillong ya ke Negrims banlap di kejing duna. Pandang beteng ke jing penjari ya ke curfew miet hakitan kaput. Dang takut halor ke jing lap ke met ya upana ong ubah preston tunsong. Dawa ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke Regular Casual Workers Scheme hari lum jantia. Weng ke Joint Action Committee ke jing ki bansangnya timau bat siap hari kasih. Bat kendai tadi kita kema kur kirang bat kita ya kun keti ke jela Meghalaya hak jenis mikmat ikri India syak World Arm Wrestling Championship ha Moldova. Ka dorbar senrai kebasan sini jong yang dorbar tawan ke jela Meghalaya kalau kudno hak sini tok diang jong ketayo. Bat hak ni ke dorbar ki MLA kaliang persyak bat liang sensyar keleshim bentah ke jingyatai hilor kimat baper. Ki bakta ke jela bat kamtam hak bede bag jing kerdo kam kerdo jam jong kisamla.
Haka arpundai terek unailar arhajar arpusau. Menteri rang ba abarim gejela u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ulawan ra ek resolution halor kejing pentrekam ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA arhajar kan rio. Ndre hedin kejing yatai ulawengno ek resolution keba ulawan ra ak yang dorbar. Haba juba balor ke resolution usembut menteri rang ba gejela u Preston Tunsong ula pente bag sarkar jela kadang ap ke jubab na ke sarkar pedeng ha ke bede bag shiti ke bakal pha dangshan ban penpau bag yang scam ba ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arhajar arpau kadi ke balale akat kum keriti sensyari uba Preston Tunsong ulong ba ke tenat Home Affairs ke sarkar pedeng lang ba ke shiti ha ka khandru trek ujeliau arhajar arpulai kalau penting bagi sarkar jela bagi jeng penbet thema ya kabel kapau kumba kelayat palat bagi jeng temu jong ke MRSSA arhajar kan rio ban pani ke jeng tip na barok kibrio haga jaka jeng idong syong wai bela syong lupa haga jela kiburung spok ke jela ban penstom yaki lada kem ai ke jeng tip kani ke jeng penbet thema ya kabel kapau bagalong ke jeng penken ya ke artikel kat kendai iwei d bat i jong keriti sensyari kumta lapan ke jeng pensyai halor kini ke jeng lap ke bela kedau na ke sarkar jela bala ajeng moru ke sarkar jela bahkan kami biangsa sisien ke negabel ula pente bagi sarkar jela keladak ban pensyai halor kini kijing pensengau leng baka siti ha ke arpuwe trek urempang arhajar arpulai ha ke baka sarkar jela kalaong baka bil kade ke belongkat kum keriti sensyari bat kam 18 ken satia ke artikel kat kendai jong keriti sensyari ndre ke amendment ke belawan ra kade ban penklanc osyo ya ke MRSSA Uba Preston Tunsong ula pentip baya ke kam halor ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arhajar arpau ya ke belabu syadulat ke jela banyo ke jing menjur na ke Presiden kari kadai ke belabu dien da ke tenat Home Affairs ula pentip bagi sarkar jela ke lapen sange aswai ke jing penbena ke belapen mi hak kakatnyo trek una opera arhajar arpau na ke benta banbo iki facilitation center hagi jakarung bat jakabeli ke badan ha umling hagi district riboy hagi Shillong Airport umroi bat ha Mendi Pathar Railway Station ha North Garo Hills. Hadin ki hukum belapen mi da ke Meghalaya High Court ha ke bayadai bat ke PIL ke batuklar ke jing terekam jong ke MRSSA arhajar ka Nrio. Nrei ha balasa priang ke kelam COVID-19 kumtai ke Facilitation Center la IT syakatenat kakut kakia ban penan kam kum ki COVID-19 Screening Center. Uba Preston Tunsong ulong bawala ke sarkar jela ke lebu syasharut ke Facilitation Center ndrei kiwe pat ki kendon jong ke MRSSA la penterekam ne ke benta ban pet ke jing shisha jong ki nong song wai namar ke section rio nyo pra kendai bat chipo jong ke ak ke ailat ban pen shisha ye ki nong song wai bat ban lum ki jing tip jong ki nong song wai hapo ke jing kemi jong ke District Task Force.
So I think, sir, in particular to our state, so we are a small population, in the large country of India with a population of 1.4 billion population, sir. We're just a population of about less than 40 lakhs or 4 million. And if you take the tribal population of the Khasi, Jaintia, Garos, maybe you will account for even less than 3 million, sir. So unless we have a strong act in place, sir, I think we're afraid we are letting down the future generation who will question us later that if we become a state like Tripura, where the indigenous population have been overwhelmed by other communities. So that's why, sir, you'll see now there is fear among all sections of people, the influx. That's why you see all this agitation, all these protests demanding enactment of ILP, as stated by the honorable member from Songsak. I think this may happen, may not happen. It may take a long time also before it happens. In the meantime, sir, within this period, a lot of influx may take place, sir. So that's why we have, for example, the Land Transfer Act. We have the tribal regulation, trading by non-tribal regulation. Then we have where migrant labor will have to get the labor permit. Now there is another loophole, sir, where people can come in as tenants into a state, and there is no such rule to regulate that, sir.
That till today, as per the text of the resolution, sir, let me inform the honorable member who moved the resolution as well as the members of this August House, other than setting up of facilitation centers, since the court has given a stay on the establishment of these 3 facilitation centers, the other clauses, the other paras of the Principal Act, MRSSA, is being implemented in totality and in spirit, sir. We are continuing to do that, sir, and we could see that with this implementation, the system that we kept it in place is very constructive, and also it is very successful, fully done according to the district task force committee who already given to us the report. Sir, as far as other districts is concerned, the district task force has been also reminded by the government that they need to make sure that they activate the function of the district task force in the respective district.
That means the mandate of the Act has withstood the judicial scrutiny. There has to be just amendment to the notification of that particular relevant provision which mandates the implementation of that section 17 of the Act. We have to only fine-tune it, you see. The court has not said that it is not inconsistent with the relevant entries as entered in the list 2 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. We have to also read that relevant entry 64 of the list 2 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Based on that, if this can be properly fine-tuned, I think there will be no problem in implementation of this mandate. So kindly get it examined further by the relevant department, and let us put our heads together. I think the government has the privilege of having all the resources within its command. Kindly use it, and then let us proceed further, because without these, I think the overall perception of the public, particularly the concerned civil society organizations which are taking the issue of this crucial issue of influx and illegal immigration and the resultant negative ramification on the future generation of the state, I think it will still give them a room for discontentment and doubt of our complete resolve to implement the mandate of the law. So I think the government is capable of taking care of this observation of the court and come out with an appropriate, much more fine-tuned and amended notification to give effect to that section 17 of the Constitution. Yeah.
Umentri ketenak jengok kai pratai kejelau ba poleng do hak arpu praterek unailar arajar arpusau. Habajubab ya kejingetai ke belengkot. Ulo ong budan ya katong ban penelong ya kejela kum kejaka ke bakongsan hak kam jengok kai pratai. Ulong bakatanat jengok kai ke lebo ekathong ban bo ah kata kerdan ke jela kum kejaka ke bakongsan ke ban kentio penek pensa bat kakam jengok kai perthai ke berani ke jingkit klik ke ban ajing mentoi kinong wan jengok kai bat digi shnong ki thauru. Ulong bak sorkar kan kentio ki kam penroi jeng kakam jengok kai perthai kum kalat ban thau ki jing aikam ban kentio ke yok kakot bat ke jing im jing nong shnong. Uba poleng do ulong baka kam jengok kai ke degelat aikam bat ke ban penyar ya ke jeng aikam ajam ke badan ru ka kabu benong ka weni kita ke benok senyang syak yok kakot. Ulong baka sorkar keladap ban itu ke jeng dan kam bantau ya ke jeng tai ke bakongsan ke jaka ke beladon lupa bat ke bat hemai bat ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya kum ke jaka ke bakongsan ke bandon ke adventure tourism, experiential tourism bat cultural tourism. Unu Menteri Sorkar ulong beladap ban penwandor ke jing temu ban penmi ke jing don tang na ke bahak tengka jong ke sorkar jela nrewat na ki skim jong ke sorkar pedeng bat ki externally aided projects.
More facilities and close coordination with the tour operator that we have, different association in our state who bridge the gap between the tourists and different stakeholders in our state. Sir, more intervention need to be done because directly and indirectly, tourism sector, it has a connection where we should have a better road facilities to all tourist spot, to all tourist destination within the state because tourists, they will reluctant to go if the condition of the road is bad. So the road has to be in good condition. Better airport facility. The Shillong Airport at Umroi, it has to be looked into where big aircraft can land and it will facilitate more tourist flow within the state.
If we look at positively, yes, by doing that, it will create job opportunity to many people and many people will buy cars to run in the state of Meghalaya, especially to reach to all the tourist destination. But there are problems also here, and if we look at negatively, we will see that we are disturbing the people who come from outside, and this may cause up to the extent that people will not like to come to Meghalaya. So we have to deal this very seriously, and we have to discuss with all the stakeholders of the state, especially people who are dealing with tourism activities to understand better how to go about it. But I have one submission, sir, here, and I want to talk here about the safety of tourists. Let us think nicely the need to ensure that the tourists coming to the state of Meghalaya feel safe.
So I think the government tourism should explore the connectivity between the Maukenreu area and Amlarem area. If the land is available, because it takes only hardly 5-6 kilometers the connection, the missing link. Only the bridge over the river Ungot is a bit problem. But if land is available, then I think that will create a very huge potential for develop both this Maukenreu, Nongkrem area and that Amlarem area. And number 3, sir. So developing of cable car and roadway. Yes, the government have initiated the developing of cable car for so long. And I don't know the status of the cable car which long time back is pending in the Pen Ursula area. So this, if we could see and revive it, this will make a boom to the tourists who are coming into the state. Number 4, sir. We can tap many tourists from Bangladesh. Hundreds of them, they are coming every day. Of course, now the situation is different. But we should tap the tourist potential of the Bangladesh people. So one important thing which is missing is that the good facilities at Dauki area. So I request the tourism department to look into establishing a good infrastructure in that Dauki area so that the tourists from Bangladesh, whether they come for short term or long duration, they can come and use that place for the purposes.
Ki MLA Jongaseng Voice of the People's Party VPP hak arp kundai terik unailar arhajar arpusau kelemi jendat nak yang dorbar ban persajur menailat menteri ketenat kuliputi ke Sarkar Jelau rakam esangma ban ai kejuba baka short duration discussion hak yang dorbar tawan. Haba usumbot lampang yang dorbar ultimati disyira oleh penbena bu menteri ketenat kuliputi unjubab ekamat yatai belengkot kebelawan ra du MLA kanongkrem uba Ardan Mela Basayomoj halor jingtung kam nohikai ada dengre subdivision. Uba Ardan ulaong ba am sengap setia yo menteri ketenat kuliputi namar kejingkeren ban mi jingi perjet ben riau kolong persya ya ka kendon sispak kendai pun riau jong ka BNSS. Ada menteri rangbal anu sembut menteri rangba kim keren nekane ulaong ba am trek ban sengap pada ke sarkar ka sya yo menteri ban jubab kin mi no nak yang darbar. Namar kim kwa ba gendon kejingi per jingmut hapdeng ki khasi bat ki garu. Usembut menteri rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong uloong ba ke rule ke ong ba udkhot haba ajengkeran dei ban keno shimet persya ki dikhot. Uloong ba gijing keno kidai ke bakta shimet kumta ki laweng no ekne kalan. Ula ajengmut ru yo nang lam ka VPP ban ailat ba ka an kan yat hala ka jong kelenti nambah kladap ban ujor ke ejahar persya menteri sarkar. Bat ka VPP kelawan ra ekne kemat klem kanu kono kendon. Bat hadian ulam pang ulo wengno ekne kejing keno jong ba Ardan Mela Basayomoj persya yau rakam sangma. Hadian ba ultimati disyira oleh penbenai karai banca menteri sarkar ban ai kejubab kumta uba Ardan rengkat berkilangut ki wepat ki MLA ka VPP kila yang nak syuki bat mi jendat no na kedorbar senrai.
I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this issue under a short duration discussion. The manner in which teachers were appointed. And before I proceed, through you, sir, I would like to express that this discussion would be indeed directed to the Chief Minister. So therefore, sir, I would request, through you, sir, to the Chief Minister to kindly take this as a subject to be dealt in this sitting, sir. Sir, if I were as communal as him, sir, I would not have chosen to associate myself with the Garo people since the late 80s. And as a party, we had already filed an FIR against the concerned person. And I hope that the government will not prevent the concerned authority to initiate action against the minister. Sir, coming to this, according to the information available, sir, it was found that almost 15 of these candidates selected under this MTET, they produce a certificate from some of the universities in Assam. So that is one area, sir, where we feel that the government needs to investigate whether these certificates produced by these candidates are genuine or are fake. Sir, and I can name the candidates which have been shortlisted by the Education Department and got selected under the unreserved category. And these are Senarul Islam, Saiful Islam, Norma Jasmine Khatun, Sanjeev Goswami, Amin Runa Pavin, Rashidul Islam, Sheikh Feroz Abdullah, Shahidul Islam, Shivli Sisar, Mehiruna Parbin, Habib Ali Sheikh, Sima Khatun, Asim Hok, Karimul Islam, Hasmina Ahmed, Akibur Islam Sarkar. These are the 15 candidates who have been selected on the production of a certificate holder from the Assam universities. We don't want that the government will in either way patronize these candidates who try to get job through unfair means, sir. I would also like to demand from the government to constitute an inquiry in order to investigate, in order to verify whether this information available with us and with the aggrieved party is true or not, so that justice is done to the aggrieved party, sir. So with these few words, sir, I conclude my speech.
So the three-member committee is looking of all certificate of all the successful candidates even now. So while recruitment, sir, any candidate which has been named by Honorable MLA from Nongkaram has been, if selected, based on the merit and their language proficiency. Any candidate who have a well qualified in any state of the country, if obtain any diploma certificate in any institutions recognized by the NCT, they have been allowed to participate in the recruitment process. So, because as long as the institutions are recognized by the NCT, they are qualified to participate in the recruitment process. But however, the merit and the language proficiency is a priority of the candidate.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Pak Preston Tensong ubah kemiru ketenat PWD Roads. Haba jubab ega 0R notice kabelawan radu MLA kemokayau ubah nujor kisua. Ula pentip ega darbar senrai bagi lapan kere ega jing terwa bencenapan bahai ki benta jong surok nartiang jong duit barato kabala seni ubah. Ula ong bagi sorkar kam syamla syong klikti dari kerang pen kere egi kam banwat gilenti banweng ya kejeng ia kabalamat bagi patba. Ubah Preston Tensong ula ong bagi ni kesurok kadang biang bahal anok tang kumbah nyo kilometer kabala seni kata nado katsau kilometer hado arpuwe kilometer kata nado taknyang syashiliang mentang. Kumta ketenat konsesium kiaban maramot igi benta jong ni kesurok hadian balakut kaliur.
And sir, presently, I would just like to bring to the notice of this house, sir, as if at present the road has been split into three parts. Sir. Why I'm saying, sir? Why I'm saying this, sir? Because the first portion of the road, that is 1 kilometer up to 13 kilometers, the road has already been sanctioned under RRDF 28, and it has already been completed also, sir. And from 20.4 up to 35.4 kilometers, the road has already been sanctioned under CRF way back in the year 2019, and the road has already been completed, sir. So what is left is the length from 13 to 20.4 kilometers, sir. This is the only portion, around 7.4 kilometers left, which is yet to be constructed or which is yet to be sanctioned, sir. So this particular road, as of now, sir, it is in such a pathetic condition that people who travel via this road, they tend to avoid this portion and take a longer route in order to avoid this bad condition of the road. So it's an eyesore for me, it's an eyesore for the public. So that's why, sir, I stand here to request upon our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, in charge PWD, to kindly give a special sanction for this particular stretch of road, sir. Only 7.4 kilometers, which is yet to be sanctioned. So, sir, I have deep faith in our Honorable Deputy CM, and I hope, sir, while replying, I hope to get a positive response, and also, sir, to get the sanction as soon as possible, because it is such a nice eyesore for this particular 7.4 kilometer stretch of road, sir.
I appreciate the concern expressed by the Honourable MLA from Mokayao, and I would like to inform the member that the government is not sitting idle but are working on it to find out the best solution to the problem faced by the people of Mokayao area, especially a portion of the road Nartiang Jongluit Baratu, portion 14 to 21 kilometers, which is in very bad condition. The department is initiating a proposal for improvement, strengthening these threats during the financial year 24-25. So, sir, with this few clarification, I hope the honourable member will satisfy the information that I've shared and the concern of the government.
Ulampang yang dorbar tauan kejela Thomas A. Sangma hagasngi balang jang katayo ula pentip unong yalam jang All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ulawan bankam ban shimti kesyuki nong yalam jang kaliang persya hag yang dorbar tauan kejela Meghalaya. Hagasngi kebabot latung no Dr. Mukul M. Sangma kum unong yalam kaliang persya. Bad iuba Ronnie Willingdo latung pat kum opposition chief whip. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor ulampang ula pentikna bawa Ronnie Willingdo UMLA na keseng kongres ula eno ekskinong yalam kaliang persya. Banamar gejing teli jong kene kesyuki lawan bankam ban shimtino do menteri rang ba barim gejela Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Ulampang geng dorbar ula itu bana kaliang UMLA bamarway na keseng kongres uba Ronnie Willingdo ula IT keciti eno akam kumunong yalam kaliang persya. Mereka juga kepor ula iPad eksiti mulai jingkersya ni ke AITC na kebentaban shimti kakam nong yalam kaliang persya. Ulong bada kejing trailang ke kongres keberan UMLA bad ke AITC keberan sangut ke MLA kejing don pat juki kalakot syak hendrungut ke balong shipau na kesispa na kejing don kidkot agi yang dorbar tauan kejela. Ulampang ulong bamenta nsa syong ban bishar bad anspen benai kerai hagini kisisngi na arsngi hakabaydai bad kakam nong yalam kaliang persya but opposition chief whip.
You see, post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very, very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation. You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers, and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the Speaker will agree to our proposal. That is the understanding between the two parties, that since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief. We have written to the Speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the Speaker to accept our proposal.
I received the letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition, but I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon. As per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Ronnie Willingdo. So they have they have requested that the post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Ronnie Willingdo. Because they have now a total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the House. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon.
Haka arp kendai trek unailar arajar arpusau kayeng dor bartauan kejela kelapen mi ekejing penmena bagala itu Dr. Mukul M. Sangma kumunong yalam kaliang persya haki yang dor bartauan kejela kadba uba Ronnie Willingdo unlong opposition chief whip sembut menteri rang ba kejela uba Preston Tunsong ubalong ru chairman ke high level committee hak simba arjung katayo ulong bah katayo kebanwan ke sarkar jela kan sasyong jingelang bat ki officer Banche Mekarai halor kejingpan por kinong yalam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee. Hakabede ba kejingpan kenria yaki na tem yo maulong.
And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organization as GPC. And we from the government side, we are agreed to give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that.
Habayekran beginang patai kubor ubah Preston Tensong ulong bahadian mak sarkar kayok gejeng kerpat nak harijan panchayat komiti. Kumtakan syong syuada gejeng yelang banekran halor kania bat mentahi om patla benong AA. Halor kene kamat namar onha benlum syai gejeng yelang bat ki officer sarkar. Kaharijan panchayat komiti hak arpun ru terik unailar arhajar arpusau kalapan por hado unailur nagabentaban bishar halor ka blueprint nagabentaban penkedria ikilai spa sopu artli kilong yeng na them yo molong. Kani gejing panpor biang Kaharijan Panchayat Komiti kalong hadian bagi jeng aipor khatsan singi ke sarkar jelai Kaharijan Panchayat Komiti kalau kutno nagabenta benemir jengmut bad benshimrai ke bakat do halor kene kamat. Hau kerwo balapa do Secretary Kaharijan Panchayat Komiti Gurjit Singh ulang magajing yalang ke belalong hakish terik unailar arhajar arpusau. Ke sarkar kelabetha ke komiti bakan shimrai hapo artayo. Halor kene kejing terwa ke sarkar ha keban nagaliang unang ilam Kaharijan Panchayat Komiti lakedau bagi jeng aipor ke sarkar kadai ke baduna palat ban namar ki kam ke mamlalat kim shempat yo ekalat benemir jengmut bat kibor bahalor ki bakmi ya kisik.
I think we will sit down within this week itself among ourselves, then we will take a call and decide.
But sir, the government has decided not to have any more discussion beyond 15 days, sir?
Yes, of course we have done that, but again we received the request from their side that they need one more meeting. So for that, as I said to you, I'll not say anything right now because I need to call a departmental meeting. Then we sit down and then we'll decide.
Habakali halor kejeng penjelan ki election nagabenta ke Khasi Hills bat ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ubah Preston Tensong ubah kemiru ia ketenat District Council Affairs ulang basyan ke sarkar kan sapa anu ulat ke jelai gi bil bala menjur dagi artuli ki Autonomous District Council ke jela. Kenang banyo agijing menjur halor ke kaipot jang ke Delimitation Committee. Ubah Preston Tensong ulang bahadian ba ke Khasi Hills bat ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kila priang ya ke bil halor ke kaipot ke Delimitation Committee. Ne kejing penbet thamai ki constituency. Kesarkar kan sapa anak syulat ke jela kadang banyo agijing menjur bat kesarkar kan saai kejing itu. Ban chupen kan mau kesamoi terekam jong ki MDC ha Khasi Hills bat Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kalau kutno andrai la penjelan dah ndro benai bat la aipor ya ke Delimitation Committee ban pendep agijing penbet thamai yaki constituency.
This council, both this council, Jaintia and Khasi, the bill that they have already passed for that amendment of this thing, the delimitation. So now we are processing it to send it to the governor. Once the governor approve it, then we will notify.
Bantip benia bat bani dalade ya kejing bat kejing duna jong kajaka ajing sumar kebalabu ha kejing ban kejing syakri ya kinongpang. Hagsim Arjun katayo MP ka Lok Sabha na kasilong parliamentary seat u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ulalit penjurep ya ke North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences NEGRIMS.
U MP ka Lok Sabha na kasilong parliamentary constituency u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon haga arpenyo tregunailar arjar arpusau ulahir penjurep ke NEGRIMS. Habai kran ba kilat patai kubor uni UMP uliat ho bagani gejengwan jurep kalong mani dala kijang ki kemat ya gijing duna jongane keja kasumar bat kene galong halor kejing uat kinongpang. U Dr. Ricky Sengkon uliat ho bawala kane kaja kasumar kebela rembha henrei menta kadang don cibun gijing duna kiberan kamban shimkia kenang baganong gejing mentoi ki pat ba gejela bat kumjoru igibani ki wei pat gejela kibadon hakatan shtiram mimi. Ula benrap ru bon sebut dian halor kania bar ula kenturu bagadai bandon kajing etrelang ki doktor ki nurse ki nongwan sumar bat ki nong trei hakani hospital ban penlong ya kacaka sumar kabab yang tam ha kejela. Habayo benekran ru bat medical superintendent u professor Dr. C Daniela. Ulong bagajing duna badan ha NEGRIMS kinang buon bagajing ka baginong trei ki kendo ula kedau ru bagajing wan jung MP sakani kacaka sumar kende kesenjam kebabiang na kebenta ban ai kajing etrelang ban kampen bha ya kene kacaka ai jing sumar.
Kadau kaba iwan ban pej ipok NEGRIMS sagadi kasngi kalong hi kum nong mi kmat uba ka Shillong parliamentary seat. So kadi ka kamram ka jonga ngarade panthoi tu ka shithi untuk ngala ai show minister bapet ka kot ka kya juga sarkar India te ngaso ka de ka kamram ka jongaru ban pechi ru le jong ki khmat but ban yu I ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka ne ka hospital nado gebede bat ka jing ki badon hagne ki tiar kitar ki machine nangta pada ki department kat ki ba nela e ka ban pej nangta ban ngap ru ya nakaliang jong ki nurse nakaliang jong ki doctor nangta ka library bat kum jo ru kham tambe nakaliang jong ki patient namar hakini kiski ya so shubon ki jing e ka ba ki patient ki kendo bakam kata ka kadawai rashin ka ba ki ban yo kum ba ki ju yo ki por man shwa kim yo ini ki lihat ki ba pelong ya bangaso ka diga kamram ka jonga bangan wan ban pej ban khmi dalam jong ki khmat ban yo banyak kren ban yo snowru lagi jong ki skon ya kini ki baro ki bede bat kani ka hospital kani ka nigrims ka banadu stem kadang bakla ka kendai spa propinyo belasi mau nongrim ya ka le hadu mentang I dang don pleng shibon ki ba dang don kam ban le naga banta ka jiman toy jong pat ba ndai tang ki ba shong ha ka state ka jong ndai wat na ki ki state ru jong ki ka lam mi ki don shibon ki ban yamanta hi ka ba ni ka ba na ka ba ngi sngo ki don shibon ki namaru director ru ha ka ski umdon te le se ngadang ngap ru nakaliang jong u mo te ya mentahi idang dei tang itai bang shwan ban pet di jong ki khmat ayo sngo kita te jing ke bi ki kendo ki jing duna bat ki don ru mdei tang ki jing duna ki don ki pedaru ko ban so ki don kum ki machine ki mi di jong ki khmat ki machine ki balong jong juk wa mentah te kumta ngai khmi lenti bagani hospital kumbala sengyaka kanong ka hospital kanong ka college kapanong ka jingkarku ya kan ni ka state ka jongi ada klem ya le ye klem ya bot din kam don jingmut te kum tu ka jing tmui kalong pa rengkat ji snok ti lang jong baro ki badon hang ni po hospital ki patient pat pa hi ke don kam ka jing ya lang jong baro pangin yo pan penulong ya ke bakani ka hospital kariban kot kumba patmu nadu pasdang kat ka level jong ka aims mo
Kiriu seniu ke belaka ela kedor kemat dang step perngap ha kasni ublai jong katayo ke balalek. Kilalet ban lutia na kawai ke petrol pump ke badan ha kasnong umran yang bernai ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Bat kliora ke pisah ke badan saulak tengkah. Ke kubor beliau lum kalau itu baha ke step perngap jangka arpusan terik unailar hajar arpusau keladan ke jingsa lutia jangka wege petrol pump kabar kesenang umran yang bernai kebelatip kum ke Indian Oil umran fuel harut kusrok ba National Highway bahan riau haki sangut kirunar bamla beri itu dur kemat kani ke jingja kelajah ke por kembasan beji ai men step kat kum ki kubor beliau lum le itu bagani ke jingja kelajah ke por kat ba manager jangka ne petrol pump udang tu ban plea nrai sendat lawan mi kumba sangut ki breu bamla ben itu dor kemat ki balapatan batte ki kiti ki kejat jengu kumjo ru ki nong trai jang ne petrol pump layo jingtip ru bagane ki jingja manager jang ne petrol pump ha jing persang ye khon ni runar ula shaot ki kenja tiar banap ne ki benta kakti bat ki runar hadian belate yu manager lam ki nong trai jang ne petrol pump kelio bandrong ya kepisa ke bakot kumba saulak tengka ai kebadi kepisa jeng umnyang bladi ka arpulai bat arpsau trek unailar batang maria yo orong ya kena kepisa kila pet no nang jaka tad hado balayo kene ko kubor kibor pulit ke Ribhoi ki balayo jing tep alo kene jingja kelihar marmar kene jaka ban penlong ya jing toket bat ban persang ban wadru lengba ki kor ringdur balabu ai kat to kene kai jaka jang kene petrol pump usembut menteri rangba kejela ubalong ru menteri ketenat home police ha kesinto adiang jong katayo ulong ba ka jing penjari ya ka curfew met ha kitan kaput bat keri Bangladesh kanang yai beteng bat ki pulet kidang penlong ru ke jing toket alor ke jinglap ya ka medyap jong u Ishaq Ali Khan Panna u General Secretary jong ka Awami League Party na kitan kaput ka badan Harilum Jantia usembut menteri rangba kejela ubalong ru menteri ketenat home police uli tho bagajing penjari curfew met akatan kaput bat keri Bangladesh kandang beteng haduk menta baladat ban beta igi tenat pulet bagi spai BSF bikin longi bapet ngor bha bagan amdan kajing rung
Bean Syakari lengba ke Jela Meghalaya. Halor ke jinglap ke mediap u Ishak Ali Khan Panna u General Secretary ke Awami League Party hagitan ke Riom Jantia. Uba Preston Song Ulong ba kabo ak jinglengo ek sarkar namar na kaliang ke BSF ke kentat baki nong Bangladesh kiyo bandrong suk syakajela ndang na kaliang spai BDR ke lekam budai unang yalam ka Awami League Party u Bulawan Patch India. Ulong ru belalap ke mediap jong ni unang yalam ha kajaka ke bajengai tang iwai point lai kilometer na kajaka kaput kabadan syapok dari India. Bat kelak benlong bu usurung bean lane yo bagi dan kiba peniap badwan bread ke mediap juhan ke kajaka. Ndai kini baro kedang don hap pedang kejing tokit. Uli to ru baya kemet basa jong ni unang yalam ka sarkar kan sai tino iski bahiyang jong u bagajing tokit kan beteng halor kene kejing ja. La ban kedau hang ni baya kemet yap jong u panna u General Secretary ke Awami League Party lalap di pulit ke Meghalaya ke arpun rotrik unailar arhajar arpusau ha kajaka ke bajengai iwai point lai kilometer na kajaka kaput bat kari Bangladesh.
Yes, because all along the international border, night curfew was imposed, and till today we continue to do that. From evening till early in the morning, that curfew is still there, and then we have instructed, be it from the police side or be it from the BSF side, they have to, their duty is to make sure that no one crossing, be it or entering to Bangladesh or crossing the Bangladesh to India. Saying because see, since the dead body was found within, I think 1.3 kilometers within Indian territory, meaning you understand, if he does not cross illegally, means how could it be that the dead body was there? One, and number two, or maybe somebody killed him. You don't know. Then ultimately they dominate dead body. Maybe they cross to India territory. So these are the issues where we are yet to really ascertain what. That's what we don't know yet, because see, BSF authority, they keep us informing, they keep us updating about the issue, and because I think you must have seen it in the newspaper, they said even he carried a lot of money or something, but as per the statement, as per the physical possession made by the state police along with the BSF, they did not find anything like it came out in the newspaper.
So can we say that until the forensic test, as you have
yes.
mentioned,
So right now I think no control.
I mean, until the forensic test is done, the body cannot be handed over to
No, it can be done. See, the dead body can be handed over because see, the sample has been collected. So the sample has been collected. So now it is the duty of the Directorate of Forensic to do the further investigation or the test. But once the formalities is completed, the dead body can be handed over at any time. Okay, because right now it's only the question that somebody, the leader from Bangladesh, was killed. So, and even from Bangladesh, I don't know what's going on. So I don't think that conclusion can be reached where leading to the investigation of CBI or this that. Okay? And we have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioner of Bangladesh and the High Commissioner of India, both the countries, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry what steps is to be taken next.
Ha gasingi balang jong katayo we urang ba ulaman saujer haba ula syarat ha kawai kakali kan ba udang yat banet syasiliang jong surok ba kabadan ha gasnong maudiang hanong po ha ke distrik Riboy.
We ubriu ulaman saujer kamtam ke bentaga jat hadian mula syarat ha kawai ka Mahindra Bolero pick up ha ke surok ba National Highway Bahendriu ha gasnong maudiang ha janong po. Kani kejingjak lajah kapor prasopo ye janmiet jong ke arpu pratrik unailar arajar arpusau. Kalkong ke kubor belayo lum uni urang ba ek ma ke kerteng empat dio jeng tip tikena. Dari belakot sindu barit. Kat ba udang persang banjam syasiliang ke surok ba. Kawai ke Mahindra pick up ke batmu banyar si benta basyarum kalarat kensan yu bat pet dengan kejaka. Hagini kejingjau ni urang ba ulaman saujur bad kala ketak bahai benta jong ke kejat jong. Maria yo jeng tiap lo kene kejengja ki bor pudet kanong port traffic branch kila poi march kene kejaka ban penkit no yunu brio bala mensau shanong port civil hospital ban yo kejeng sumar. Lai thu ru baki kat to kene kiro pat ba ki bela sakhi kene kejengja kila persyang ban kethong ya kene kekali kebela rat yunu brio. Hakabatang Maria poi hakalat jong kathanat nongpo unongnya jong kene ka Mahindra pick up kabadan yu number ML Iway Lai Iway Sau Nyo Kendai. Ula pensange kali bat pet kerat no nagane kejaka. Dagal yang gibor kulit kenong port traffic branch kidang pendelong ya kejing toket halor kene kejingja.
Ban penti kena bagi nong tribal lasngi kinyo ela kahok. Ha kesing balang jangka tayo ko all jantia master roll workers and labours union kala dawana ke sarkar bagadai ban pentri kampurano ya ka Meghalaya regular casual workers scheme syajar kendai spa kendai punrio. Habro ki office jong kitunat sarkar kam tam ya ki badan harilum jantia. All jantia master roll workers and labours union hak arpu pratrik unailar arhajar arpusau. Kalapan sengosh ke sarkar ban pentri kampurano ya ka Meghalaya regular casual workers scheme syajar kendai spa kendai punrio. Habro kitnat kamtam harilum jantia. Habakran gilat patai kubor hasilong press club. Nakaliang jog union ka presiden Idayu Wanpi Yakai iletu ba kumbakalong menta ya kani scheme la pentri kampura tang ikat tu kana tili kitnat ke sarkar jela wala kani ke scheme kedai ke badan arpu prasna menta ndrei hadu menta kitnat iklam pentri kam satya. Nakaliang ke presiden jogani ke union kalabu ke jingkar pak ke sarkar bahkan betha kitnat sarkar kam tam ki badan hakithan ke rilum jantia bakin pentri kam no ikani ke scheme kumbakila juba bagi yang dorbar bakila pentri kampura ikani ke scheme. Ila benrap ru baka union ka kuak baka sarkar kan penbet ikani kenang bagi arhajar hendrus pangot kinong tribelas ni kin yo ela kahok.
Naliang jungi ha jantibles ni syamba kamdai kumta don ki department ki ba long lightly pon. Number 1 kadai ka fully implemented don ki department ki ba half implemented don ki department but non implemented yakani scheme. Yakani ka fully implemented kadai tang yakani ka water and soil conservation department and horti agriculture yakani ka half implemented but kidai ki PWD hakani half implemented cuma bagi tang ya ka status yaki masrul dan ni daily wages badan abroad department badan coaching Hendra yang ke scheme ke yang tu ke benefits ke badan apa ke scheme kan ngimdan ngimya je mentau ya tak status. Tapi yang non implemented pak ni don ke PhD department bahkan ni ke art and culture department. Kini tang yang ke status ru kimya. Deskawai pak ni slosi nak kalian kesenjungi nama apa hak education department pak don kiba Mastrol di badan hari department baik tang ya katu ka status tu kimyo ndrai kiyo pat da ka ba kiyale ke case high court da ka order jong ka high court kiyo pat ya kanika status jong ka RCW ndrai yaki benefits pat di badan ko ka RCW kimyo ado munta te ni na yang jong ka sen ni atblay ya ka sarkar ba Hoon, ni ba yakani ka scheme Meghalaya Regular Casual Scheme 1996. Kalau don ka to ha uni buna September kan riutore. Kan yo aku prasna. Te ni na kalian jongi keseng ni aku play yakani ka government bamanta. Ba ha kani ka government ni la pentrekan, kala pentrekan yakani ka scheme. Nilai takum kala ta jong kani ka scheme aku prasna kan ta to. Te ni ya iba habis na mensywa. Ni membiak yang kini cuma tuan berok department. Tini ni kermen scam bagi kontra kesama in your snow lengba kani ke conference jogi berintip yo le se bagi ki claim tip yang kani ke bajia aja yang dikels. Dan nak kata tahu ni kuat ban bensyai. Tini ngim dan ru keno ke jing keno nani ngim dan ru keno ke jing against ye kino ki government nado kata kesem 1996 ado mentah. Ni kuat ba ngin penbaik ni kuat soka bakan penbaik yang kini ke scheme kenang ba ni kum daily wages mengin yo yang kini ke jiman toy barang
Hadian ba kesorkar kelalu me kejing yalang banyak keren halor kejing jong kinong ti mau ba kinong ti isyap. Rengkat ba kejing kular ban chim khia ban wengno ya kene kejing Hagisngi balang jong katayo ke Joint Action Committee Stone and Crushers Owners Association bat ka Quarry Owners and Workers Association. Kalapan benar ba kalapan sange no ya kejing ki jong ka ban sange ban ti mau bat ti isyap.
Ka Joint Action Committee Stone and Crusher Owner Association bat Quarry Owner and Workers Association haka arpu pratrik unailar arhajar arpusau kalapan banaban wengno ekjeki sange ti mau bat ti syap habar ko keri khasi ya gani karai lasyam hadir manakal yang sorkar jela lengbau Chief Secretary uba DP Walang rengkat baga Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba kilakot ekjing yalang bat baro ke badan bentah kene kakam ha State Convention Center Hashilong. Habakiran ni kelat patai kubor nakal yang General Secretary ke Joint Action Committee uba di pengruap. Ulapan benar bagi Joint Action Committee kan wengno egejingiki ke belas sedang nado ke arpu etrik unailar arhajar arpusau. Bat kani kalong hadian manakal yang kesorkar kelakular ban shimkia ban penbed egejing jengki. Ule tu ru bu Chief Secretary ulakular ban penjunsur no akikat to kene teligi kendon ki badan ha ke Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules MMMCR arhajar kan Rio. Nakaliang uba mau koridor Kars Imle General Secretary kaseng kinong khai siap bat mau na West Khasi Hills. Ule tu bahagian kejing yalang nasimru ikarai bantau yaki committee bandan lang kikat argut kidkot ke Joint Action Committee. Rengkat bagi beliau ke sorkar kenang ban penuandur temai yaka MMMCR arhajar kan Rio. Ula kedauru bahagian kejing yalang nakaliang ke Joint Action Committee kalakentat ban pediang ya kejing pentrekam ya kecalan habak hai mau. Nomor kejing kayi kalong tang hapo ke jela. Nalor kaniru halor ke mining lease ke Joint Action Committee kan bo kejing dawa bagi sorkar kadeban pendunai kejing bo ar hektar ke jaka banyo license. Bat halor kejing dan kam ban bo tang ke office banyo kikot kisla bayadai bat kene kakam.
Gila keren sai hakamat hi jong sorkar hakamat jong gitu ki NGT hakamat jong baru ko ki balap hak sorkar ba lada day ban kangru da day ban kem hapkem mentah hiru ba ngingim la ngila kerja ba ngimla ban trei kam katkum ka triple MCR bat ngila pen iru ya ki jing pensisa ba ka triple MCR ka kalong tang ban trei nam tai kori ban le shalan ye mau siap sabari la ne sabar jela kata ngila kerja ya ki de henrai na banta jongi ba penon kam ya ijing don kam bangin sina ki ying gisem jongi hangni ha jakala jong bangin pedan kam ha sinong la jong kamut nginum la ban but ya ka triple MCR ela kan syaya ki namar ki don ki benta ki ba kidau kendiat bare don lang nemo ket kun ga ai ki don ki benta ba kerau ka triple MCR ba niap kan keria kata mitar na ka surok kata mitar na ka kawa kata mitar na ki sinong briu ti kenria na ying briu itengku surok sorkar dan itu ni kerja nak surok sorkar gitu ku berkawa balai namar ba kamdon ga jaka kabahe katkum gejing kwa kat jongka di ka triple MCR namar kini ki bang Iwan menta amde kita kinong khayi ki ba khayi ya ki mau ki siap syabari kumol khayi sya ki than balai LC mo syabari sya Bangladesh tani bang ni khayi syabar jala hari ki bawan hang ni baro ko ki dei ki ba pron kam ya umau siap pang sinong ajong
Karai pada kalian kejong Chief Secretary mende kalong ba bani ko inform ya committee but kin hung ya kalian kejongi kat armut pada kalian kejong sorkaruk ni songlang bangin ya penbet ya kita ki local use kejongi ban penrung lang no ha kaneka triple CR aja khandri penrung lang hanta tekat kami kejongi kalong pada kalian sorkar ka simkia kaneka ban penbahano ban modify no ya kaneka triple M CR aja khandra kadi kata ba komen takwa tinelang kejongi ni hapan wanra ekipo nya hata kasngi bangin session no committee bat kat komji soto kejongi kalong ba ka government kan penslam ya kane tang lagi benai menilai kila kula tang lagi benai bendem no kane kenang ba kan pensuk ya ngiki nong tre te sakaweru ngapin benas ki pa ba ya ka strike bangi ni la le menta ni la wengno tang ba ya ka ki impat buak du menta nomor bale nomor bangi habu i halenti impat tip ke panja yangi te nak leng kajungi ni shuwen te kastra jinya ki ni nyai impet hadu tat hadu pangi nayo ban pendepno ban review ya kan ka an data kata ngi saweng jinya ki redum tangi terweng jinya ki ni weng tangi ni kastra
batum bangi la soto na kati kren yong ba ban pencensul ban review biang no ya kan ka triple MCR 2016 te hak jinga kren kalong ka basutrat sibon nak yang kalong ba jingot bat kalong ka jinga kren ka ba sinutona haduk tata te ngasro nak yang tengah sikiti ngasro ban ai pulai yakipai ba kaleng saudong ka ba de dak start ka kipai ba kiba kilai simrai hatu kasi kat kendai tarik nailar hak jingalang ka balong hangte po lanu krem tournament kepada kecing start ada kecing rai cungki ban sangeno sistem don ya kecing pemimau pisiap kepada tray kam nodo men alfwe tray nailar sebut kata kala tray kampura habaro cungka caka kajongi te ngait skem badi klem da atatien ngait skem badi daga jing sange timau cing siap cungi kepada penlong ya ke bos sarkar ban mi sakmat ban address kloino ya kani kecing kebangi siam te nakaliang bacunga ngasoban ay kublay te baro ki bayaran benta dikipai ba yaki baro klem dala bensia keteng yo ka klet yano klem dala bensia keteng ngasoban ay kublay kalpang nakaliang kacong ka GC jongi yaki pai ba baro ki baya kashan ngayo i kicing treshi chong ki wala da don katukat ni ki ba persang bentri itu ki por itu ki sni ki ba la bu kata strike kila persang ban lek pinsuto yaki ban kren yaki daka ba daka cing cecai daka cing penjoto kacongki nam ta chu tu ki ngana i ba kani ka cing sange pen mi ma mi siap akini ki kinyaski lalong sisa ka basiso
ba onora daka taka single window agency te kemut kata kolong ba on tap application tang si jaga omron kam ban lek ki babon ki department but on collect ru ya ka license lada de ka manning list lada de ka kuari pamit dari kono kono kemaning license ka baka sarkar ka sependek on collect wetang nang tay de kata ka di ka buat ke pasputanat pat ngingit pada ya ka berkular kide ban pendem kata ka di cingwa cim nasa la kular ka cingdo jungi ka atu atarik banle kumni gumcu hi ban sinaga komiti bat kumtada ter matala ulol leng bakan initiative ka bakil IT haka DC is gazel but hak cing yaron lang rangkat bau chief secretary but kiwe deki nongkit kam le deki kinong tray choka asyen ki beber but ki try par ba pasya te kani ka ba ni pha ya kani ko kubor ba pasokar kadi bisim kiapat kumbau chief nisau lakular akmat jungi akar patarek but kumbala pha ru kacu ka message kalau orang ingin inform ya ke komiti, ingin pencen sorry ki ketuk untuk teligi kendon, ladaran kamban penrung syu hak kendon upan penrung, de kemut ki de besim kaya ke kam, ban pendapnya ke kam, keloikan pala.
Da gejing sokya halor gejing ki udor kha ki marba mardi, kebalakta ikilong yang longsem ki beduna kayo akakot. Ha kesipale jeng katayo kekenhuan Meghalaya Awaken Concerned Citizens MACC. Kaladawa na baro ki MLA kejela bagi dai benyatai kene gamat ha ka dorbar senrai. Ka Meghalaya Awaken Concerned Citizens MACC. Haga arpukandai terek unailar arhajar arpusau keladawa naki san pukandai ngut ki MLA benetai ki yang dorbar lor kejingki udor ki marba mardi haga jela. Habakran ni kelat patai kubor uba basai marbanyang presiden ke MACC uli itu bahagiyo ki hat ki mar ki mata ki lek ki udor lot kebawan rak kejing e ki nong shong shnong. Ulong syuk bahaga jinglet kekenhuan hayaudo la syam babon ne kinong dia dukan gibo kat bomon kador ki marba mardi ka bekentuk bat kakiat ka ba ki dukan dekiat ki wine store kim de kat kum kador ke balabo na kaliang ke MACC keladawan ki san pukundai ngut ki MLA bagi de benetai kene kamat ak yang dorbar bat bagi sarkar kare banwan rak dak price monitoring committee bat ki wek senjam mentek lakam ya kene ke jingki udor
uphan ko bawan na Rajasthan ba uphan mami na po jela Meghalaya uphan khasi mata hayo upoi support ka kilo ndre uphan ko bawan na Rajasthan upoi support ka kilo ka jingli ka bang haman bu ani por ba mata shair din ka pisa ba dai ban mano pun ki dor ni pisa kai ka tax ka mana kalian chong sarkar ka haman share kai ka health of account ba prashan ban diri ki ka Kali gini berita berkongsan kebangi hamal dan nepapor bang next time lo nak yang jompi pai ba harokot kibayu I ya ke kebangi ya di ganti soba pada dan rekaman ai kebensim ai jingkasan rekaman bagi numpu orang bagi gini jingkran tentang jimun toy ke jomi ngikran nak tak jimun toy ke jongro ke jopi kamtam ki hamal perka ya kita ki longin ki bashirin ki bangsawan pangasai bangasisi ka ke jingke ke pandangan jingke dia kata kali kebuka ke bangsa ke bangkran ni kapor nak yang jungi ko ke kedun itu siau sepi nama pun kali ke siti ke depan kha saboro santu kendai no ke hadu governor jangga jalla ni depan kha hadu DGP jangga jalla ni depan kha sedu MP ke depan poi saboro khon di department di beri in charge ke ai ni depan poi ke siti Parlemba kan siti na next kam bagi ban study ini ban perkhat jingin jelio na ta jike jongi ki pai ba nanum ko apon barta ka siti kan chupoi par next kam ada nakalian joko sarkar amla ban shim ni ke punta kumpang ila pam handi baka sarkar ke besnai ke price control committees kaliban senar ye kita di price monitoring committee kaliban boru ye kita di rules and establishment nak benda kali ke jidon kam yang ke hak display yang fair price nak benda di MRP kumjur nak benda di non MRP nak di full items lagi di kilo kiat bagi pagi hak
Hadian bakladan gejing sapriang jong gejing keno baladasnai ke surak 4 lane na lad umroy shamalidor kan keta ikitelong umbam umdi kumta hak singibalang jong tayo kedor barsnong umroy madan ke badan hak distrik riboy kala pensyai bakat kum gejing tip kabakador bar kelayo kan amdan setia kan no gejing keta ikitelong umbam umdi ladasna ya kan ke surak 4 lane Kinong ilam kedor basnong umroy madan leng baurang basnong bar secretary snong kilepan pau gejing sokya ke bajor hor gejing mi ki katu kan kirang ba ki ba that ya ke snong hakilat patai kubor da ke bakam bagejing temu bansna ke surak 4 lane nalat umroy shamalidor kabanya leng bakne ke snong kan gejing keta ikitelong umbam umdi Uba lembor lang makri rang basnong wat uba banshan scam renja secretary snong ke umroy madan habakran ikilat patai kubor kila pensyai bakat kum gejing tip ladon leng bakador barsnong bagani ke surak 4 lane bansasna shen kan keta ikitelong umbam umdi nrei ladalong shisha kumbala keno dakire orang ba kamtam uba CL masharing ubdai udkot ke executive committee jong kador barsnong kila ong balai bomon ra kene kamat banikran ke executive committee Kila pentip ru bahalor ke jenit jurep degi katu kanut kirang ba syaka-syaka batmu bansnai kene ke surak na kaliang kedor barsnong kam dan jingtip satya lat notang ke jing pentip basyan na kaliang ke office u deputy commissioner unsapa ke officer banit jurep ke benta bahap apok kene ke snong na ke benta bansnai kene ke surak bat kidang ap banyo ya ka tarik halor kene ke jingwan kila ong syo ba anda ladon ke jing jurep ke bati kena ba on satip la kene ke surak kan don jing kta am ya kitolong ubam umdi Bat ladadon ru ken hak bani perkat lang bat ki board penyak distrik bat ka company ban chnai kan ke surok fulian kenang bakat nam keta ikitelong umbam umdi ka dor barsnong hi ka kwa bo deputy commissioner on pha banjurip no shani ki bentai ki bandon kam ka jingshna ye ken ke surok bat kini kiri orang ba kiladai banwan ban shong dorbar ban tip ke karai ne ke senjam bakum kinong ilam snong ki lashim ha ken ke jingelang ha ka bakilong baki we ki brio kim dai bakin syukuran na syadian Ndrai kini benuat ya kejing sisa baro.
Ya kejingwan kejungki ya kaban jurip bat ki media te nakaliang jungi kumki kador barsnong ni klam ya dor kat bat ki te hakabide pat sur bangili ui ban ya ketu ka kubor te nakaliang jungi sngo sudan ban pen sngo namar ba kat kum kejing litbu jungki hakatu ka banengkong ya ka komplain so DC lokular ya ki ba udisi hun pha igi breu ban wan pej wan mi rangkat bat kasnong hari ya ke jaka te nakaliang jong kasnong i ap kemi lenti ya kata ya ka bakin ya wan yang ya ka bakin ya pej lang bat ngi kasnong bat ki bat udisi bat ki breu jong disi kenang ya ba upat bat nok snong unyo ya ka jingsai ka batikna te haka jingwan ka jong ki menin te nakaliang jong ngim nom sui bat ba ya ka ba ka ba kila pensu kila pha pat sa ki media te ngi don ban pensai ba ngin yai ap hi ya ta ka por ka bo disi hi un pha ya ta gi breu ki jongki nakaliang jong ko office bakin ya pe ya mi lang bat ngi bat ki breu na ka office jong disi Te kendiat haga bener ita ide na benta jong kete khusus Te kendiat pat haga bide ban pensai pat ya ka jiwan jong ni ko forlin kumba laong dai ba timar banyang. Nemar ba kan ko forlin kalawan na du nalat roy hadu Te beli ba ka kiu pat sete selum badon kasus jong kasnong Ramadan. Dengan su pensai yang ni nemar ba nakaliang jong ngi kum kasnong gimtip ya kata haba ka sorkar ka penyai ya kan ya lain lengba kasnong umdok berti ka ba penkiu pat sate selum ban poi lem sakani ka caka jong kasnong madan kecungi bat kunju urut seduk sate senong laban nakin nalum ya hakabidi bat ka jingtip kham banyak te ngat harai lade ban keli na ka office jong DC ba bali ba ka kiu pat habukut jong kom ka kiu no selum bali kamwan na po surok kabarim kumbalaong iba timar banyang kena kaliang jong iro lada kawan hinam do berti na kabarim tolong hasno mo Ramadan ro kan hab hiban wan na kabarim ketang ba ulah pen kiu no nang te nam do berti station yang jadi nak ta ka daulong ba kangat no ya kate kasusum kujungi ya ke ba bahatam na ka benta jong upat ba nong song sunong tolong ni an ni ap mi lenti ya kata ka ba udisi unpa ya kibreu rekat bat ngi kisnong bat ki kinong libu komplain bangin ya pek ya kemi bahaya kate jaka la ka du sisane ladawan kata ka forlin ne kat kum kalan ka bakila peni long bakahyar serum ya kanlat lada kanlat hite na kaliang ji kisnong tingin ong kumno tambangi kemi lenti pat long ba udisi bat kibor peniat kibor kiban company kaban snai kate long ba kanle ya ka bahan ka bahatam kenang ba pat ba nong senong jongi unom du ya kate ku kum malaya ong
Kum shibenta bansa mi gijing tip chiki wei pat ke paranong hikai bagian laban ai gijing syakri ke babha ya ki samla pule. Ha kesingi pelai jong katayo la pelat pat ba ka kot ke bala kerteng teachers attitude towards teaching profession at the elementary level of education. Ha ke jingalang ke balalong ha ka Union Christian College ke badan ha Umyam ha ke distrik Riboy.
Da ke jing ang nuot ban pen priang ya ke jing tip. Kebakum kena hikai dan man ai ya la ke jing tip bat ke jing nang syaki kena pule. Ikong bayarlin nongrang ibere ke principal jang ke UCC Higher Secondary School lambat i Dr. Mistilia Dekar kele omen plat pat ba ek wega kot jengki ke belai kerteng teachers attitude towards teaching profession in elementary level of education. Ya kene ka kot la plat pat ba hak arp kondai trik unailar ar hajar ar pusau hak conference hall jang ke Union Christian College Umbir. Hak balawan beneran lang do principal ka kene ka college Dr. RM Mani rang ba snong ke Umbir ba PJ Kurba bat kiwei. Haba kerana kena ke program ikong bayarlin nongrang ilieto bahaswa banto kena ke kot. Ladak banle aswai kawat benya halo ke rukom long rukom man kalat ajihikai nadu ki kerdan ki bakhamret bat kumno ban pinbit pinbiang ya ki lat jihikai da kinohikai syaki kena pulih ke rukom ke bapaka bah ne ke quality education. Ba ilas dang ya kawat benya nadu ke por badang don ke lockdown. Bat mentai lala ban penbit penbiang ya baru ke jeng don kam haswa ban pendep ya ke jeng tho ke bapura. Ilong bay kene ke kot leo jeng rap ru leng baki guide jeng i ha ke balala ban tho ya kene ke kot kum ke jeng rap na ke menta kino hikai ke hikai ha ke elementary level ban wan ra kata kalat ai jeng hikai ke batebet. Bakumno bakin hikai ha ki kamera kelas. Kumno ban penedai bagi kena bat kumno ban rap bagi kena ke beran ha ke jeng terang ban long ki babet bebiang ha ke jeng start. Bat kiwei ru umjo. Ilong bakum kena hikai la sedang ya kena kakam nado kikerdan kelas kibaret nang tah kekerdan upper primary ter haduk kekerdan high secondary. Na kaliang kinong keran kena sngi kel ai kejingiro ikong bayarlin nongrang kumjo i Dr. Mistilia Dekar ibalala ban pendep kena kakot kebala plat pat ba kena sngi. Daba ai kejingiro ru kamtam kejing don jingmut jong ikong nongrang iba ang nuot ban pen priang ye kejing tip kiba idon kenang ben la ban yarap lang ye kiwei. Kinong kren kilong syo bi ikong bayarlin nongrang ide ka ni kilong kami om tangkum kano hikai ke betrishtom ban kentio ye ka pule puthi. Bad ila long ru kalong kami ke betrishtom wat hakibai kibai bentah ke emlang salang ki kamsnong hayieng hasem bad menta leng ba kena kot ikwa ban no senyang AA sha ka kam hikai.
Kajingat lenti kajrong karukom tho ban tho ini kapat it's very difficult la persang parpa bangala ek research makabala ya ka master degree in education then haplek the research nang tangale questionnaires Then the question is pada ki long ba ki mentoi ya ki bobo na kamshim da ka ready made question eh dengan shim da ka da nashnahi ki question eh then I ki kena then nama kade ka lockdown class I through like WhatsApp and all ban job some student are selected ada kapot then nang tapat dan dala itho baka ibyang no dong sedong ka ilong applicable especially for the elementary school teachers nga i nga perkhat bad i madam jonga bad i guide ban sna no ka doju kokot ban tho no da kokot nomor bakila ban yarap yaki no hikai ki badan ki badang hikai ha ka elementary school education nang ta bade kani kajing don kani kajing mento jo kani kokot kolong ba yarap yaki na banwan yaki no hikai banwan ra quality of education naman nga persang ban holut ba ro kan bade ka teachers attitude kumno na classroom kumno findil with the students kumno ban yarap yaki na ki ba dang ki badan ha ka pedeng kajing yale jo ki ban long ki na ki babit ki babyang kumno bangin rate yelade kum kino hikai habang idon hang ta klabyang ne em bangi rate ilade ladang ila abyang ne em kino ban yo ikata ka ban long kino hikai balong successful thì hang tu berok hanya na persang he ban bo ban tho riti na dong sedong tat kum kajing siam jangan na mal banga hikai ha elementary na do muswa dan spiski pada nang to nga ya upper primary then secondary then after that nga let apa sya ka higher secondary level pada laki offer bad yang ban hikai ya ka ban sim no ya ka principal post dengan sim no ya ka principal to nga kham duna ban hikai tang ba am juklat pada ban let saki elementary level ban hikai biang bat kito ban dan rakat bat ki ban I encourage de ki no hikai ki ba managing committee katung nang ta pada ngai rap yaki nga persang yaki de ban I batang shu yo ban ngan thoi kan kokot nga I bakalong ka bamtoi bhai ki no hikai jonga especially tinga I nang pong shwai ki no hikai jonga bangan bakin pe yakani pat kuli kani pat nang bakan kan la man yarap yaki hakapor bakai hikai bakidan hakaskul
Kalong kajing ai mensiam iki kena ki basa agithan nong kendong balada kidon ya kamon bat ka jing treshitam kalenti kadon bet ya gene lepen I de gawi ka kena asamla ka banaka shnong nonglang haga district southwest Khasi Hills ka balayo bat poi ha kerdan top 10 ha ka subject political science ha ka examen bala penlong da ka school ba Northeastern Hill University kasamla bashimti snaitang na ka shnong nonglang ha ka district southwest Khasi Hills kasamla ka bapulie ha ka St Xavier's College Oid Mokerwat Kalawan ra nam bat kabura me kadong bat kathan Mokerwat bat ek district bro ko wailing bag jingyo jongka ya kerdan top 10 ha ka subject political science na ka school ba Northeastern Hill University ha ka examen ka brang shudap ha ubnai jileu arhajar arfusau laban keruang ne ba ka bashimti snaitang ka de ka wen gi kana iba sedang nengkong ya ka Bachelor of Arts ha ka St Xavier's College Oid ha Southwest Khasi Hills Kajingyo kasamla bashimti ke kerdan top 10 na ka school ba nehu kalapnlong ba kinong penyat ba kinong hikai ba kina pulia jong ka ka college ba kindon ya ka jings ngosarong
I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier's is for all of us who can make the difference.
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Hakasimba arjung katayo kalapenlong ya ka convocation ka basipho ha ka bala penkop kerdan ya ki 1000 respa live kundaingot kisamla pulie ki bala pendap ikijing pulie haki kerdan baper bat la penkop ru da kanam doctorate iki arngot kinong ruai bapau bakentop ya u Zubin Garg bat uba lu majau
Majud na jago, please majud na jago na.
Ka jingyalang penkup kerdan ke Besipo jong ke skol ba USTM kablalong ka arpunyo trik unailar arajar pusau kablalong ke isyong kun ha kabalawan mansa kilang da ke jingidon rekat jong ki vice chancellor kiri ustad bat ki beki beki rupo kuman ha kani ke jingyalang penkup kerdan ke Besipo jong ke USTM layo ban penkup kerdan ya ke bela pendap ki kerdan pulia beper kibadon baro syajar hendrus pa lep kendaingut banda pedeng kini kat nyongot ke deg bela pendap ke PhD kendai sepaan rungut ke bela pendap ya ke post graduation bat nyo sepa kan rungut ya ke graduation. Na kaliang ke USTM ke lepen ku buram ru iki arngut ke rupau kumat na ke jela Asam bat Meghalaya ke bekentup yu Zubin Garg bat ubak lu majau da ke degree dilit na ke bentak jenok senyang ke bakrau jeki ha kaliang ke but tau bat kalariti ki kam pen priang ya ke jingsuk ke jingiteli bat kibai-kibai. Ha kani ka convocation jong ke USTM lawan mansa kilang ru da ki vice chancellor jong ke skol ba boper. Ha bakrana kene ke jingelang ka bapen kup kerdan ki samla pulia jong kene ke skol ba. Ucaman berem ke UGC Professor Ved Prakash ulapan pau ya ke jingero ya ke jingla jong kene ke skol ba ban kentiu shibun ya ke pulia putih ha kene ke than. Mara kejuk kopor ulapan pau ru bun ke jingkermen ba ke jingnang jing start ke ba ai leng ba kene ke skol ba. Kan sanang ya kentiu ya ki kena ke buan pulia ha kene ke skol ba. U chancellor ke USTM UM Hak ulap yang sobhaya bro ke balawan sya kene ke jingelang baduong bagidan ke jingang nuat ban kentiu kene ke skol ba ke badan ha Meghalaya. Bahkan ya rengkat kerdan baki weipat ki badan ha keleng ke perthai kenang ban la ban kentiu ya ki kena ha ki kerdan pulia boper. UM Hak ulapan paru ke jing sengo ya ke sarkar Meghalaya. Kabla judan barobor hasenda bat kene ke skol ba bat ai ke jing kershan nadu belaseng ya ke skol ba USTM.
Always remember to live life responsibly. Also, when life becomes too real, take a little time to create. Thank you.
Justru orang justru tenak nama kita gini ki irong ni basu wan.
Ya khabar jingat inti jang pi ka don penai yang lebih bagi ka jelas ko nombor isu jang wan PKA ke buat lingkong
hari ni kalau ti bang ya mah kam dei maknanya nama mentah kalau dia ya ladi nak mentah ladi lu macam hari ni ke jingin atau hari ni ke jingin lengba kam juga ndai tanga kabaka bagai in kong do kadai ka akor kabaka maki ong aten tren discipline dia kadai gini ke bakong san do shwa haji im juru junu maknaru bejonga jupi jongnya barpai akor tien maka akor kenang bah haji im kada mun indon atli gelati ka song ba pinjet pi kwa ban im Arlenti nak kau ini kau itu kau ni jadi lengkap mat kau gelti pada kedai jing adakah di pijit kau ini gelti kedai api barang jadi kedai namta jumpa pijit gelti biang adakah dia kata kamu nilak benda ai nak kata jom kiwe ngimdai berperkat tangan tadi Keblai biru.
Kum shibenta benele ban peninam ya kasap kapong kisamla kiblashna kitiar baper. Ha kasin sajan jagateo balala ka Chief Minister's Youth Center ke Lapenlong ya ke exhibition ke baar ha ke Shnong Saiden ke badan ha ke distrik Riboy. Ke Chief Minister's Youth Center CMYC ha kesian ke baar ke Lapenlong ya ke jung peninam ban peni pat ba kitiar ke blashna bat penwandur dik samla ki balawan baniok jingikai ha kawin ki slam jong ka CMYC jong ka Shnong Saiden. Ya kani ke lumpung peninam pat ba la penlong ha ka arp sau trek unailar arhajar arpusau ha ka Shnong Saiden.
Kani ke program penipat ba ikitiar ke belasna bat penwandur Asian bentar di kisamla ke belas adjet bani ojihikai na kani ke CMYC. Ha ke ba ke lepen ikitiar gitar ke belasna na duk umso ke belasna ni kiso boper ki janpong ki jingbam bat ki bagi. Kini kisamla ki balapen inam ki jing snap ki jing shat boper ki dai kisamla ki belas adjet bani ojihikai ha kani ke CMYC. Kajingyo ekalat manedan bentah hakan ke center kelong kajing mentoy ke bakrau ya kisamla ke snong saidan ha ke bana keliang kinong senchar snong jong ke saidan kila beteng biang ya kajing soy ke soskular ban beteng ya ke center ban aji kai kisamla leng bak Chief Minister's Youth Center sa Arsenal hagani ke sengi lawan bansa kilang ya ke exhibition de kong RB lengwa i District Agriculture Officer ke District Riboy kum ke Kongsan haga balaidon lang uba ike lapang urang ba asnong ka saidan bat kibai. Habakran na kajing lang na kaliang ikong RB lengwa ila ay kajing ro ya ka CMYC saidan ha ka bakal plia kalat na kabantaki kon samla jong ka saidan bagen yo ban penan kam ya ka sap kajungki bat ban yo jing kai lengba kane ka center. Ya kane ka lumpong peninam ka pesisni la penipo ipeng ro da kajing sim bantalang ki habret jong ka snong saidan. Ha ke ba ke leyo ekalat ban penia ka sap jengki leng ba kijing shat bat kijing ruai. Hashua bang kimi ki kubor ke benangsa nget pen kenmau biang ya kimat bakongsan jong kubor mentah ketayo. Kut no kedor bar senrai ke basan sini ya tai ki amelia ke jela halor kimat boper. Let kam u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ke syuki nong yalam kaliang persya hadin ke jingyo jing kersan ke seng kongres. Let jureb UMP ke Shillong ya ke Negrims ban lap ya ke jing duna. Pandang beteng ke jing penjari ya ke curfew miet hakitan kaput. Dang taukit halor kejing lap kemet ya upana ong ba prestun tunsong. Dawa ya kejing pentrekam ya ke regular casual workers scheme hari lum jantia. Weng ke joint action committee kejing ki bansange timau bat siap hari kasi. Bat kendai tri kita kema khor kirang bat kita ya kun keti kejela Meghalaya ha kejing mi kema ke India shak World Arm Wrestling Championship ha Moldova. Ki nong ya kun keti na kejela hadian bagi lawan Ranam bat keburam ya kejela bat kerihi barok kawai. Da kejing ya khor kita kema kejing ya kop kun keti kebelatip kum ke World Arm Wrestling Championship ke Basau Pusan bat ke World Para Arm Wrestling Championship ke ba Arpuhun Rio ke belalong ha Moldova ke badan ha kedau ba Europe. Ha kala asni ublei jeng katayo la pediang sobha bat penkup buram hadian bagi lawan Paino syala kejong kejela. Irang bat kita ye kun keti jong kejela Meghalaya ke bela mikmat nakari syagaransa ne kun keti ke World Arm Wrestling Championship ke Basau Pusan bat ke World Para Arm Wrestling Championship ke ba Arpuhun Rio ke badang syudap long dangshan ha Moldova ha kedau ba jong Europe. Kelio ban khur kendai teli kita kema nak kelumpung ha kejing Yakob boper. Kini girang bagi thai lakai ke beliau ban khur ya kendai teli kita kema ki kentup ya ikong Starina Jasan, wa Korea kata kemarupa haka left hand Grand Master Woman jong ke bakian 20 kilo. Bada kata kemaranong haka right hand Grand Master Woman haka jeng kiaban 20 kilo. Ikong Margaret Patau li Korea kata kemaranong haka left hand Master Woman haka jeng kiaban 20 kilo. Bada kata kemarupa haka right hand Master Woman jong ke bakian 20 kilo. Ikong Mi Snobha Rambai li Korea kata kemarupa haka left hand Grand Master Woman jong ke bakian 20 kilo. Bat ka right hand Grand Master Women jong bapia prapo kilo. Baliyo ban Korea kata kemarupa. Bat ikong senabi sengkeli layo kor artli kita kemarnong kata haka right but left category bat ba hiubat paliar layo Korea kata kemarnong haka para arm wrestling haka kerdam jong bapia 20 kilo. Kahanyo terap National Youth Front Northern Region kum kadak bakpau kejing kemen bak kejing sengu sarong ya kejing la jekini ginong elakai ban kentio kanam jong kejelahi kila pediang buram ya kini ginong elakai ha kajing pediang buram ke bela penlong ha ke Palau Joko Office District Transport Officer Hanopo abakran negani kejing elang nak kalian ginong elam jok HNYF uba Hastings Lingdo kumu presiden ula penpau kejing kemen banyo ekene kalat ban pediang buram ginong elakai kun keti bela poish ke kerdan jong kejing kun sabari bat ke belala ru ban Korea kata kema ikong Margaret Pathau iwe neki thai kun keti jong kejela iba syong basa ke district Riboy ila penpau kejing kemen ban i baginong elakai ki belalech kene kelempung kilala asya ban elakai bah kam tam hak kerdan youth category kabasham jeng e abhabat pen mi kino syem benta ban mi khmat nakari India hagane ke kerdan riyong pat bagane ke jingsong sarong ban i bagi samla na kejelam Meghalaya kila mi khmat hagane ke kerdan nagaliang unong yelam ke kenhon jokari India uba Alanson marbanyang kum uno hikai kini thai bat kirang ya kun keti jong kejela ulong bawa hapdeng ki jing e ki babuan hak bedai bakane ke jinglet jiki bane syem benta hagane ke rensan ke bahe Ndrai udap pat da gejing kemen ban i babarok khat arngot ke blay syem benta kene ke rensan kilala ban elakai bah bat kilala ru ban wan syadu ke kerdan ke baca khmat
katakan nam bat keburom kelapau lembah tu di sangut kita berkirang kelak kai te ngasiu kuat ban ong iki babarok ki khat arwut ni di official barok ki khat arwut kila ai ke babatam kelak kai pha kim simla rem ran dai kila wan khmat hi ka jingelek kadon aman ki kategori tu syua ban hinya khmat pat kuat ban ong iki ba ini besong sekadiang janga ide na po Jaita Hills kasian bandingkong bagi demi iki thai samla na po Jaita Hills ikong Olivia Dakar semula job ide indai la wan khmat isimenta na kaliang jongka youth category komot na kategori di samla ID ide na po ka youth ini ru ila kai ka senior ru la job po itu number adap ka Asian level mereka world mereka rentan ke bahek tam dari lawan khmat hi semlala ban poi ka thong pong angel ini nak kaliang grand master ka umut nak kaliang master kategori ka umut chau pong snem selua ini ru ila job snem beladap lawan kerdan belai mereka ni ke snem ka mamta kala kam ini dai diwan kerdan ke besar ini di napo junior niru di sin bandingkong bagi mi khmat nak khai west kasih hil kerteng jung i ngadai bandri hun cek lingdo di niru di lala bense madan nak leng ke kategori jong ka junior antangin khai pat di kong starina grand master kemudian post nem selor di ini wan baar nak leng ke tiga mon mo bat balai nak liang ka tikadiang te ini ideru di nong mare bapau jong ka jela jungi mare marasan te ikong mi subha ya ho kong mi subha ru iwan ka kategori san post nem selor grand master bala le kai la flem ha tempat juyo lat nak kadau di kot isla release nem uba kemai islam arpo arpsau ula ya dei bahaya ka jingim jingman jugi la yo ka passport la biang kot isla ila yo ban mi baran bat lala ru ban penpau sunan ya kana bat keburom ya ka ri India ya ka ri Meghalaya ila yo silver berarti gift de ini imla banyeng ini dari Liska Pongrup ini ru di baju liak kai ka basketball liak kai ka amsing tenis nem batmai minta lawan akan jin liak kai amsing bayala ban penpau bah ka national level kakani ka world level pada isuan tentu syaki third round fourth round ila le kai ba bai ni ru imsim wala imsim lala ban poi ka thong ini ru ide samlai bala jujok teng haka Asian level ide samla iba menang ban bomla ban keren kedai ka kategori jung i kedai ka para standing hearing impairment la le kai ba wan balai naka pi jongka diang i magret tengam dadon kaman penitu
Kendrai ladai lupa keluar jongka distrik jongfi, ladai keluar jongka ri Meghalaya, ladai keluar jongka ri India. Hani keti bomtar ila lekai bah nakaliang jongka master kategori di ila yo silver but bronze.
Kajing ang nuot kipat nong kersan jong Shillong Lajong Football Club bahkan rong ke final jong ka Duran Cup kala pulam no. Hakala sing ublay jong tayo. Haba ka North East United Football Club kala penrem no da lai gol la not ke Shillong Lajong haka semi final ke belalong ha Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex ha Polo Shillong ha pedang kajing saki jong palat kat san hajar ngut kiriu iet football.
Maria mihi kinong elakai hamadan kipat ba kiblawan petkai kele risa but I mensia migirang elakai jong ke Shillong Lajong kabri ko kinong elakai na Gejala Meghalaya. Kirang elakai ke North East United Football Club walaki ha penipun ha pedeng gejing kersan rat ba jong hajar ngut kinong kersan ke Shillong Lajong. Ndri kelep jingmut ukur kom elakai jongki but kim chumla perwai ye gejing halab gejing risa kipat nong kersan. Kirang elakai ke North East United Football Club nado ke kelep mat ke sedang kelele ban tek la kami kirang elakai jong Shillong Lajong. Ndri kelat thau pat kilat kelenti ban la ban penle mi kirang elakai ke Shillong Lajong. Bat ke North East United Football Club kelio tap argol ha ke kelas step. Lengba u hoising ha ke minit ke bakat lai. Bat u aliden ajarai ha ke minit ke balai pulai. Ha ke balai tap ke gol na ke bentang ke North East United Football Club. Bat kini kejing sya pen ki jar ka Shillong Lajong kala pen diau ya kipat nong kersan. Kejing kun kala beteng ha ka kalamiat bat hang niru nasaki ba ka North East United Football Club kala kai ba ha ka ba kala bat ya ka bol bat kam shimla ilat satya ka Shillong Lajong ba ka niu ban bat ka bol ne ban persyang ban pen ki jar. Haswa ban kut no kejing kun ka North East United Football Club kala beteng ban tur sekamat ba kala yo ban tap ya ka gol ka balai ha ka minit ka ba Ndai po plus lai lengba upratip gogoi bat kani kada pendiau kino kersan ke Shillong Lajong. Ke North East United Football Club mentakan penkrea menekun sembilan ke final jong ke Duran Cup.
There were, I think, many fans today. As I said yesterday, they were hard divided in two. When we attack, you're happy. When they attack, you're happy. It was a nice day, great. But our experience and the players were very good. We knew what we were playing, and we did our job. And thanks, fans today was amazing. This is football we want to see in India. This is the crowd. Congratulations, okay, to Shillong team and to Shillong people, Meghalaya people also. Thank you very much for the hospitality. It was fantastic, great. Thank you.
FC called me again. I didn't doubt. I was here in 2019, 2020, even with the COVID. I was here 3 months isolated at home alone, and even with that moment so terrible for all over the world, the memories I had from Ceylon were amazing. That's why I'm here again. I love Ceylon. I love the people from Meghalaya. I love what you feel about football, and I think we can do an amazing season all together. He was supporting us from the first minute of this Duran Cup, and because of them, we could reach also the semi-final, and I'm very grateful with all of them because they deserve the best. This support is unbelievable, and we will try again. During the A-League. And sadly, the match of today we knew was going to be a tough match. They've got a very good squad as well. And sadly, the attempts we had in the first half, we couldn't end the action properly. But I think, and it's I think from the point of view as a coach and being objective, the first 10 minutes we played. I think to score at least 1 goal. Obviously,
when you are or when the team is 2 goals down, it's very complicated to keep the intensity, and they knew how to cancel us. But we tried till the end, and I only can say that all of us, we are very proud of the performance of the players, and we are very proud of what we did in this tournament. It's a milestone, and hopefully we can carry on with the same successful performances the rest of the year.
Kumshi benta jong jing rakhe ke National Sports Day. Ka office jong District Sports Officer East Khasi Hills, but ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills. Ha kasngi pale jong ka tayo ke penlong ya ka one day basketball competition ha maulai nong pedeng basketball court ke badan ha kanong ba Shillong. Ha kajing ko ni ka basketball na kalyang ki kentai ke SP Office East Khasi Hills. Kalalong kala ado da ka bapenliam ke Negrims kat bana kalyang Shinrangru ke SP Office East Khasi Hills kalayo ora akan namla ado da ka bapenliam ya ke Negrims. Ya kini kajing ko blakai basketball lawan Mansaki da ka Assistant Commissioner East Khasi Hills District ka Richa Kulkarni kum ka Kongsan, ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ikong di Kharshiyeng kum ka Sembut Kongsan, ha ka baledan lang urang ba snong ka maulai nong pedeng uba kit kupar Kharshiyeng. Head coach jong ke Super Elite Pathway Program hapo jong ke MSOA uba Amin Karkongor ha ka baledon lang uba di Kriem Additional Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills but Dr. C Daniela Medical Superintendent ke Negrims ki hanya ke sngi kelasam ke khusnam shaginong job ha ke ne kelumpung ila kai basketball. Te perlok da ketung ila poi shika bokut jong tuk kubor jengi menta kejan miet in se syam yang bat pi syam tayo ha kejuk kasngi bat ha kejuk kupor kuble shibon ka por jong pi bat tiasa.